Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Sony INZONE buds, otherwise known as WF-G700N wireless earbud headphones, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not pairing with your device, or they're not connecting or syncing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, usually the left ear or maybe the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues, especially if you've already tried a soft reset. The second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all the pairing history, all the configurations, and just reinitialize them so you can set them up like they're coming out of the box new. This is a really easy thing to do. All we need to do is put them in the case, leaving the lid open as shown here. And then we're just going to come around the back here, the back right, and find the little reset button of the case and press and hold on the back of the case that button for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, you'll see this light here start to flash orange. Once it starts to flash orange, you have 5 seconds to release the button. If you don't, this light will go off. Then when you release the button, these will reset, but they will not factory reset. They'll just basically restart. So if you let go while that button is flashing in red, that will cause it to start resetting. And then once that happens, once the reset is complete, this will flash green 4 times, indicating that the reset is complete. And you can go ahead and set these up like a new set of earbuds.